Hi everyone. This is Tasia. Today is January the 10th. Most of you know that today is my birthday, as well as my cousin Jackie, as well as my goddaughter, this little cute thing right there, as well as her birthday. She's turning 3 on today. So I decided that I wanted to sing her a song that I think is fitting for her because she's such an angel. So, this is for her. I'm not able to be back in Missouri with her at this time. I'm actually in North Carolina now. So, without further ado, this is a song that I'm going to sing. I'm going to sing a cappella, I believe, because the music, yeah, it's not working. Anywho, here we go. Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had the doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see your halo. Pray it won't fade away. I can see your halo. And I can see your halo. And I can see your halo. And I can see your halo.